Good morning. Today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to take the advice from the gentleman at Lala Farms and I'm going to shoot this video in 1080p and see if I like it better, because shooting in 4K is not translating to good video on YouTube. Good morning. I'm Kathleen Pate, and welcome to my Alabama farm life. I'm out here at the barn this morning, and I haven't done an update in a while. We've had some structural damage to the barn, and I've just kind of stayed away from it. When my friends came up last week, we came out here and we took a look at the barn, and there are some serious issues with it. But I found some gentlemen on YouTube. I think it's the McGie Family Adventures. I'll post a link in my description. And they did a barn rebuild. And I looked at the barn that they were doing, and I look at the barn out here, and I'm pretty sure we can fix this. So that makes me really happy. It's going to take a lot of work. I don't know if I can do it by myself. I doubt that very seriously. But maybe in the future I can get somebody out here and we can get this barn fixed. So that's my little barn update for the day. The weather here is still pretty gloomy. The sun hasn't come out yet, but looking at the weather forecast for today, the sun should be coming out sometime after lunch, between noon and 1 o'clock. But right now it's dreary and cold, not freezing. I think it's 36, but cold enough to where I put on a jacket before I came outside. Ooh, I probably could use some gloves too, but I think I'll be okay. So my plans for today are to work on another sewing project, and I think I'm going to do a review of my new sewing machine, but that'll be in another video. And this afternoon, when the sun finally comes up, I'm going to get out and I'm just going to do some basic cleanup around the farm, a few repairs, and trying to do something about that sopping wet mess that is my chicken coop. Okay, let's see if I can keep the sun out of my shot. Well, anyway, I just got back from the store. I bought 2 bags of the pelletized bedding that I've seen other homesteaders using in their chicken coops. So I got 2. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 in my chicken coop. And if that's not enough, then I'll put the second bag in. Oh, playing He-Man today. 40-pound bags. Okay, let's see if you can see that. Chickens are checking it out. But that was 2 bags. I probably could have used 3, maybe even 4. But at $5.99 a bag, I think I'll wait till they're on sale next time I buy these. I'll have to keep an eye out for them, but we'll test it out and see how it works. I cannot tell you how nice it is that the sun is out. I would love to be standing in it because it's so warm, but trying to shoot video in the sun's kind of difficult. But I have decided what I'm going to do with my subscriber giveaway. I am currently at 195 subscribers, so I'm getting really close to the big 200. Of course, I know it's going to fluctuate, And so I am going to wait till I'm at 200 plus solid. And what I'm going to do is going to make this very easy. I already know the question that I'm going to ask. The rules are very simple. You have to subscribe. You need to like this video. You need to find the video that the answer is in, and then come back to this video and leave the answer to the question that I'm going to pose. So this is the question. I have been playing a game for 16 years. What is that game? So go find that video. It's only been about a month, so you don't have to go that far back. And it is not in the Thankful Challenge videos, so you don't have to go through those. But go ahead and take a look and try to figure out what video it is and what the question or what the answer is to my question, and leave that comment right here. The prize is going to be a $25 gift card or cash, however you prefer to have it sent to you. I'll even mail you a gift card if you'd like. I don't have a problem with that. I'm only a small channel. I'm really working hard to become a bigger channel. As much as I am on YouTube now, I feel like I'm working a full-time job that I'm not getting paid for, but that's okay. I enjoy what I do. I really, really like making videos, and it would be great to get monetized and make a little bit of money. Who couldn't use a little bit of money? Or a little bit of extra money. But at this point, if I never make a dime, that's okay. I'm still going to keep shooting videos. I really do enjoy doing this, and then I hope that I make somebody's day a little bit better and a little bit brighter. So as soon as I reach 200 plus subscribers, I'm going to put out a video letting you know that I've hit that mark. I'm going to put out a deadline, and once I reach the deadline, I'll go ahead and put everybody's name in a little pot, and I will have my mother-in-law make the choice, and you will win a $25 gift card. So thank you for joining me today. Ooh, sun's a little bright. But thank you for joining me. Thank you for all my new subscribers. You guys have a great day.